Every year, millions of Muslims around the world participated in Ramadan. To an outsider, it looks like a test of endurance. 15 or 16 hours without food or water, we call it hunger. But science is now discovering that this is actually a divine hunger. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Islamic Foresight. What if I told you that while your stomach is empty, your brain is undergoing a massive biological upgrade? Today, we are looking at the neuroscience of Ramadan and how 30 days of fasting literally rewires your brain for the better. For most of the year, our brain runs on glucose, sugar from the food we eat, but after about 12 hours of fasting, a metabolic switch is flipped. When the sugar runs out, the body begins to burn stored fat. This produces molecules called ketones. For the brain, ketones are like premium fuel. Unlike the sugar crashes that makes us feel sleepy after a big lunch, ketones provide a steady, clean energy source. This is why many people find that after the first few days of Ramadan, their mental fog disappears, and they feel a strange sense of sharpness and focus during their afternoon prayers. But the miracle goes deeper. Have you ever heard of autophagy? In 2016, the Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded for the discovery of this process. Autophagy literally means self-eating. When we fast, our brain cells realize there is no incoming food, so they start a deep cleaning. They identify old, damaged proteins and trash inside the cells and recycle them into new healthy components, like it's a factory closing its doors to perform much needed repairs on the machinery. By fasting in Ramadan, you are essentially giving your brain a 30-day detox at a cellular level, which protects you against aging and neurological disease. Now let's talk about growth. Science shows that fasting increases the production of a specific protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Scientists call BDNF miracle grow or fertilizer for the brain. It does two incredible things. 1. It helps grow new neurons. 2. It strengthens the connection between existing ones. High levels of BDNF makes you learn faster, remember more, and most importantly, it acts as a neural doctor. This biological boost is why the spiritual high we feel in the last 10 days of Ramadan isn't just in our hearts, it's physically happening in our heads. Ramadan is also a masterclass in neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change its habits. Every time you feel the urge to eat or feel the urge to get angry and you say, I am fasting, you are strengthening your Prefrontal Cortex. This is the part of the brain responsible for logic, willpower, and Taqwa, or good consciousness. By the end of the 30 days, you haven't just lost weight, you have physically thickened the neural pathway for self-control. You have rewired your brain to choose purpose over impulse. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Quran, and to fast is better for you if only you knew. Today, through the lens of neuroscience, we are beginning to know. Ramadan isn't a punishment for the body, it is a mercy for the mind. It is a biological miracle that clears the fog, cleans the cells, and grows the spirit. As we approach this holy month, let's appreciate the divine hunger that brings us closer to our Creator and our best selves. Thank you for watching Islamic Foresight. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a little Ramadan inspiration. Assalamu alaikum. May Allah bless us all.